Hi, this is GBPUSD and today it's Saturday, 9th of January 2021. I'm Sophia S and this is a technical analysis study on the pair using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. On the monthly time frame we see that although the price clearly wants to continue higher and there is bearish Kumo above the price and the leading Kumo is flat, bearish and thin, and the picture is quite encouraging for the price to continue higher. It has reached a resistance level, and this level corresponds to this bearish reversal candlestick pattern on the left here a few years ago. I will place a shape here. So we may see an effort for, we may see a correction, a corrective downward move, and it may be quite deep, which means that the big players want to fish sell orders in order to execute their buy orders, their massive buy orders, and take the price higher. So on the weekly time frame, there is a possibility for the price to reach the median Bollinger Band, which is 349 pips lower, and from there even approach the edge of the lower Bollinger Band at 1.2753, which is 800 pips lower. For now, reaching the first level I gave from daily looks quite possible, rather with a spike, so I will place this hypothetical line at 1.3269, where the edge of the lower Bollinger Band on daily is, and I consider H1 ideal entry time frame to take a short trade, to enter selling the pair. Although the main trend remains bullish and very strong bullish one, it remains bullish, and while the price is closing above the bullish scissor between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen on weekly, biases remain bullish, and although the leading Kumo is relatively thick, price may find the strength to lift it up and continue with its explosive move. So now I will give the next levels if the price wants and has the strength to continue higher, breaching this level of resistance on the left. So first it will approach the top of the bearish Kumo on monthly, at 1.3901, going 340 pips higher, and if it breaks that level, next it will head to the level of 1.4429, which is below the top of the bearish Kumo on monthly, and it's a total move of 870 plus pips. Entry time frame for the buy scenario, ideal entry time frame is H4, but only if the price makes such a corrective downward move on H4 that a flat and bearish leading Kumo is formed. If there is not a flat and bearish leading Kumo formed on H4, and a recent one, not this down here, which is already 200 pips below the price. Ideally, we want a fresh bearish, flat and bearish Kumo on H4. If we don't have it, and the price closes above the curve of the upper Bollinger Band on H4, we have a bullish candlestick closing above the curve, and the next one is bullish, and the leading Kumo is bullish and flying. Only in that case, take a long trade, buy the pair, entering from H4, even with such a big entry risk, placing your stop loss below this bearish Kumo here, and ideally even below these two down fractals. It's a very big entry risk, it's a very big distance between your entry and your stop loss level placement, but it's dictated by the price's fluctuation range. And that's why I mentioned that ideally we should have a flat and bearish leading Kumo anytime soon, and that would be an ideal condition in order to take a buy trade, a long trade on the pair, if it decides to explode and continue the upward move. So this is it for now. I covered both options. The long trade, the buy trade, remains stronger of the two because this is the main trend of the pair, the uptrend. But don't be surprised if you see the price making a deep correction before continuing. The deep correction will not cancel the main trend. In the contrary, it will feed it and it will boost the price even higher. Thanks for watching and happy pips.